Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ENVV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, and not only really today. I mean, the chart has been moving the past couple of days, but today a lot more volume came in, and other days have had big volume, but I would say today, the volume was a bit more consistent. And anyway, slice it though. The point being, the price has definitely been making a very solid move over the past few days. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance, as many eyeballs have been watching this one. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above 25 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 25, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But in the event the price can stay up above it, that would definitely be a huge sign of power, no doubt about it. Next level of support after that would be down here at this consolidation area right around 20 cents. So 25 cents, 20 cents, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things. So this definitely assumes that you care about more so a broad picture of it all, but that's where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So if you're somebody that's sitting there saying, hey Clay, look, I care about the big picture, and I just want a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. This right here being defined as the move. Again, how do you gauge the health of that? Watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above the purple line, as that line moves itself higher and higher, then the price is at full health. The bulls are in full health, full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, the sellers have not really hid where they're hanging out at. They've made it quite clear right up there at 30 cents. You can see on literally 3 different occasions, the bulls try to press up through there. And each and every time, that is right where the price got rejected from. So the sellers are currently at 30 cents. I'm not saying it's impossible to break through it or anything like that. I'm just saying that apparently, according to the story of the chart, the bulls are really going to need to bring their A game to not only fight through 30 cents, but then stay up above it. All in all, though, great looking chart, nice day to day. And as long as the price keeps on building those higher bases, the chart will continue to take care of itself. So still 2 days left this week. We'll see how this one unfolds. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.